Hey guys, welcome back to Autel Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a vehicle with tire pressure monitor system, TPMS sensors. If you want to know how to tell which TPMS sensor is bad because you have TPMS light, you check the pressure, you even maybe on some vehicle you follow the reset or rewiring procedure, you still get the light, it's very likely that you have a bad TPMS sensor. What could go wrong? It has a battery inside that after many years of use they die. Another thing, we'll be able to test that battery, but another thing that could be caused is by driving on low tires sometimes, or having the tire replaced. Sometimes it could be damaged during the installation or removal of the old tire, or when they put a new tire, often they can break them as well. Now before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save yourself quite a bit of money. So if you guys need to buy universal TPMS sensors, okay, that's the one that we're using here. They work on frequencies 315 and 4, the other one's 433 I think megahertz. They're okay, you can see right here 433 and 315. One scanner, one TPMS sensors for probably 95% of the vehicles on the market. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's not expensive at all. But how you can test TPMS sensors? Really simple guys, by using that machine right here, which is not expensive at all. I will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. It's amazing tool that can pay itself off practically in one-time use. Let me show you what you can do here specifically guys. You can let me go back all the way. Okay, that's the start screen. We'll click TPMS, yes. Now we need to select our vehicle. It's a Ford C-Max. Okay, ours is 2013 year model. We select yes, and it lets you scan all the scanners or scan single sensors. That's up to you guys. Now what you can do, I'll just scan a single sensor. Okay, to find out if I have a bad sensor, I select yes. You go to the valve stem, you click that button and wait. It's going to communicate. It will take a little bit of time sometimes to wake them up. It could be in some cases because if it doesn't communicate, it could be a bad sensor. When it's bad, it will not be sending information to the computer. So give it some time. Okay, ours communicated. It says, okay, the ID number, 30.9 psi, 17 degrees Celsius temperature, voltage is okay, so this is a good sensor. I'll go to the next one, same thing. Let's activate that one, see what's here now. Okay, working on it now, should be any minute. Now if you drove your vehicle recently, the scanner will pick them up immediately. The only reason why it's taking so long is because this vehicle has been parked for a couple of weeks, and as a result the sensors haven't been woken up for a while. But when you drive, okay, they spin and they wake up, so they'll be in ready position. Trigger failed. That's a bad sensor right there guys. That's a bad sensor. Now if we go to this one, let me show you now here. Okay, this one, let's see if it's going to find it quickly. We need to be about 4 inches from the sensor. This one is an okay sensor, check it out, that's great. Now we go to this side, we click the same thing, we wait. You need to be just close in about 4 inches. This one is okay. Rear right sensor is the one that we have problems. Now if you want to see how to program universal TPMS sensor and replace it, we have the video on the channel, check it out. It will teach you how to do that with that machine. You can easily program them as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.